Xo'sh, amsa mushu 49 darsimizninki oxiri hamda 50 dars nima desanlar? He likes but he doesn't like. U amroq, lekin uninki u mandan narsa amroq, lekin uning mandan narsa bilan qanday xush yo'q. And like amroq doesn't like degan nima desanlar? Xush yo'q. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi yangi so'zlarni o'rganib boqaylik. Birinchisi nima degan bolalar? Tomato. Okay? Tomato. And the me'ar bir necha suv ekan shuni ama tomatoes. Buni nima deymiz desanlar? Toes. Oxiri o bilan oxirlashgan so'zlarga nima qattiq bo'lar? Yes, now. Tomatoes. Okay? Tomatoes. Tomatoes deganimiz nima desanlar? Sho'xlar, pomidor. What about this? Potatoes. Okay, they are potatoes. And the ma'lum nima desanlar? Yangyular. Yangyular degan nima deymiz? Potatoes. Okay, potatoes. Pomidor, tomatoes, maucho, potatoes. Okay, what about this? This is a cabbage. And the bunun name is like cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, cabbage. Much called name is cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, what about this? You know, this one is lettuce. Okay. And bunun name lettuce. Bunun name is lettuce. Wow, what about this? This is peas. Okay, you know, peas. Okay, and the peas deganimiz nima desanlar? Purchaq. Purchaq. Shunami? Mushu purchaq nima? Peas. What about that? That one, beans. Mr. Bean that one, you know, beans. Okay, and the beans degan nima bo'ldi? Desanlar purchaq. Shunami? Shikis o'xshashlan purchaq tipidagi. Okay, and the majo pears. Good. This one is pears. All right. And next shunami? Pears. Amot. Okay. What about this? This one is grape. Grapes. Okay. You know, grapes. Turpandan nima desanlar? Grape. Good. What about this? This is peaches. Peaches. And we share peaches deganimiz nima desanlar? Shaptul. Shaptul degani peaches. Okay, you know, another more words such as, you know, garlic. Okay, garlic. And the garlic deganimiz nima desanlar? Samsak. Samsak degan nima deymiz desanlar? Garlic deymiz. And the piyaz degan nima desanlar? Onion. Okay, onion. Onion degan nima desanlar? Shu nima? Piyaz. And the eggplants. Okay, eggplants. And the tum o'simlik var no. Bu cheese degan gap, bu Uyg'urcha. Cheese debdirlar. Okay, and the next one is carrots. And the southern name is carrot. Carrot deganimiz nima? Savza. And the tavus jo'da desanlar watermelon. Okay, watermelon. Watermelon deganimiz tavus. Uningki qo'g'in nima deymiz desanlar sweet melon. Mishalga sweet deganimiz tatliq degan gapchu. And the sweet melon bo'lsa bu qo'g'in. And a pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Ananas. Shunami? Bolo deb qo'yamiz ku. Pineapple. Okay. Next one is strawberries. Okay, strawberries. Bu bo'ljurgan, yeyishlikka strawberries. And bir danliq maraqliq bir telefon bor. Bu uning markasini nima desanlar? Blackberry. And black degan qora berries. Demak, qora bo'ljurgan. Blackberries. Okay, what about this? Coconuts. Okay, coconuts. Coconut. Cooks. Coconuts. Okay, and the next one is mangoes. Okay, mangoes. Mangoes. Mango. Mangoes. So, you know, lots of vegetables such as potatoes, lettuce, peas, tomatoes, carrots. Onundaki yancho fruits, such as beans, cabbage, eggplants, onions, garlic. And that lots of fruits. Watermelon. Okay, watermelon. I want to just strawberries, pears, peach, pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Orange, apple, banana, mangoes, cherry. Okay, endi mana cherryni unutib qoldik. Endi bu yerga cherry deganimiz mana glass. Glass. Jungoni bir danglik mashina markasi bor-ku, cherry, QQ mashina. Shu cherry deganimiz naqshu. Nima cherry degan gap. Xo'sh, let's practice. Qaranglar, buningda hamda I like. Okay. What about you? Masalan, I like blah 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 blah. Qaranglar, masalan, I like nima? I like pears, but I don't like peaches. Okay. Men nash tutgan biroq, lekin nima? Shoptil bilan qanday xusham yo'q. Qaranglar, hamda likes tomatoes, doesn't like potatoes. Hamsa ma'o qaranglar. Ma'o adamning ismiga. Okay. Aniqda o'g'il bola nimaga amroqkan? Okay, he likes tomatoes, but he doesn't like what? He doesn't like potatoes. Lekin uni yo'q xo'sh yo'q. Okay. And he likes mangoes, but he doesn't like pineapples. Endi yana bir diqqat qiladigan nuqtamiz nima desam, like ma'lum bir narsa ismlarning cho'qim ko'pligini ishlatamiz. Masalan, I like apple olmaydi, na? I like apples. Men olmalar amroq. Mushkilamadik jihatda cho'qim ko'pligini ishlatamiz. What about her? You know, she likes peas, but she doesn't like beans. Like she likes strawberries, but she doesn't like coconuts. Okay? You know, he likes cabbage, but he doesn't like lettuce. You know, he likes pears, you know, he doesn't like peaches. Demak, endi mishada sanag'ini bo'lmaydigan bo'lib qolsa, asqatmasaqmi bo'laverdi. O'zi kes bo'laverdi. Masalan, he likes carrots, but he doesn't like pineapples. Okay, good. Endi mishadagi bir necha misollar bor, savollar. Masalan, Tim orange, not grapes. Does Tim like orange? They say, yes, he does. He likes orange, but he doesn't like grapes. Masalan, bizning kitobimizda mashhurim bor. Masalan, Penny lamb, not steak deydi. Does Penny like lamb? Penny nimaga amroq? Qo'y go'shtiga amroq? Yes, he does. She likes lamb, but she doesn't like steak. Lekin u steak bilan qanday xo'shi yo'q. And the skin masalan, Sam peaches, not apples. And does Sam like peaches? Yes, he does. He likes peaches, but he doesn't like apples. Lekin olma bilan qanday xush yo'q. Masalan, you beef, not chicken. Do you like beef? Yes, I do. I like beef, but I don't like chicken. Lekin mening nima bilan xo'sham yo'q? Chicken. To'g'ri go'sht bilan xo'sham yo'q. Xo'sh, savollarga qaranglar, shu eng yaxshi to'g'ri javobni biri tanlab qo'yinglar. Masalan, Sarah is a nice girl. Anne is a nice girl. Demak, either two but Anne. Anne maqadar sanal bir yaxshi hisoblash. Nima? And two deymiz. Anne is a nice girl too. Masalan, peas and blah 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 are vegetables. And the mushlarning ichida qaysilari sayko'k tafsirlar bor. Apples, tomatoes, pears, eggs. Okay, of course, not tomatoes. You know, pears and tomatoes. Tomatoes, pomidorlar, nima? You know, which one does the Gaga like? Mushlarning qaysini hamda Gaga amroq ekan? The red one. Okay. The green one. Endi mana ikkisi qaysi amroq deb tushunaman? Cho'qim birini tanlay. Demak, ikkisining ichida birisi menda tanlash bo'lsa, or green one. Manda qilgan gap. So, choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Okay. Hi guys, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.